I wanted to get your viewpoint on Delivery Hero. In just a few days they go public. It was, of course, a big stake that you had. Anticipation ahead of this IPO?
I think, first of all, it's great for Europe because I think it is a great example of European entrepreneurship. I think congratulations to a team that basically have done a fantastic job. There are over 5,000 people from different nationalities. And I hope it will inspire many other European entrepreneurs to hopefully take their company public too and build bigger businesses, create more jobs and help show other people that big companies can be created here too.
How close to the operation, to the run-up to the IPO have you been? How much advice have you given? Because you are, in fact, an investor that also knows what it's like to go public.
So we bet first on entrepreneurs. So I think we want them to take the decisions. At the same time, we're always there for advice. And I think on the IPO, Nicholas and myself, we talked a lot. But in the end, he takes decisions, and that's what I want. Yeah. So we basically provide lessons, what has gone historically right, wrong, how basically to handle investment banks, how to handle lawyers. And there are 100 small details. But I think if this company goes public, I think it's their success, and I want it to be their success.
And what about the other portfolio companies that you do have? I mean, I'm a user of HelloFresh. I think of them a lot from your portfolio. But there is an aim now for you to ensure that they potentially become profitable. Is that the way that people want to see with startups now? Is the dialogue change? We don't want just to be revenue growing. We want to see them to be bottom line growing as well.
So I think still the number one priority for all the companies from the very beginning is to reach scale, the critical scale that it needs to break even, to have the operational leverage. Companies like HelloFresh that have been operating for many years, I think, are very close to the scale. And the management will decide what scale they ultimately want and when they want to engage strongly on the path of profitability. I think they're making tremendous progress. When, what exactly will again be their choice. And I think I encourage our companies to think very long term and to make the right choices for the long term, as many of the successful models have done in America or China.
And last question for you. Where to put money to work now for you? Where's exciting you? Is it fintech? Is it AI? Can you break it down by sector?
So different to the many years before. Yeah, we started in consumer, we moved in software, now we say all sectors. Because I think anywhere we can find really good entrepreneurs. And so we also do artificial intelligence, we continue to do fintech, we also do e-commerce and travel, we do B2B, we look at autonomous driving, we look at mobility, and I think we try to find amazing entrepreneurs in all sectors and to back them. Yeah? Emerging entrepreneurs and emerging technologies, that's what we're looking for.